Experience the SEBO Automatic X8, where innovation and convenience unite for impeccable cleaning results. 15-inch power head with LED headlamp effortlessly covers a wide cleaning path, while the LED light ensures every area is brilliantly illuminated. Automatic height adjustment seamlessly adapts to different floor types, ensuring optimal performance on both carpets and hard floors. Full bag or clog indicator protects the vacuum by automatically shutting off when the bag is full or the airflow is blocked, safeguarding the motor. Instant use wand and suction hose extends your cleaning reach instantly, perfect for high places or tight corners, bringing ease to every task. S-Class filtration system delivers exceptional air quality by trapping allergens and fine dust, ensuring your home is as fresh as it is clean. Worn brush light keeps you informed by signaling when the brush roller needs replacing, maintaining top cleaning performance. The SEBO Automatic X8 combines advanced features and effortless operation, offering a premium cleaning experience designed to last.